Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to our channel One to Step, where you guys can fix your problem one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can go live in TikTok. Now, in order to go live in TikTok, you need to have 1,000 followers. So in my account, I have 1,000 followers. That's why I can go live. But if you don't have like 1,000 followers in TikTok, then you can't do anything. The minimum requirement is you need to have 1,000 followers in TikTok and need to be over 16 years old in order to go live in TikTok. So if you don't meet this criteria, then I'm sorry, you can't go live in TikTok, all right? But if you meet this criteria and you want to go live in TikTok, then you guys can follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you can open your TikTok, and on TikTok, click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Once you go over here, there's going to be the live option at the bottom right corner of your screen. It says live. Go on live. Once you go on live, at the top you need to create a title for going live. So I'm gonna write random over here. So my live is gonna be known as RANDOM, random. And if you want to add a topic, you can even choose a topic like music, dance, beauty, fashion, anything, or you can leave it empty. After you choose that, you can even flip the camera by clicking on flip. But once you click on go live, you'll start to go live. But I don't want to go live right now, so not gonna click on go live. But if you want to go live, you can click on go live. And if you want to share that you're going live to other people, you can click on share, and you can share like you going live on any place over here, all right? Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere. And if you want to use effects, you can go on the effects panel as well. As you guys can see, there's tons of effect. You can use them, and you can even go on live center to see all the stuff which is happening on the live. All right, so hope you guys understand how you guys can go live on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.